Okay, so thank you. What can you point out on number 11? Which one of those would be the initial amount? Yeah. So the initial amount would be the 6.72. And then what would be, on this one's kind of interesting, it's asking for the percentage, the growth rate as a percentage. But on number 11, so what is the growth rate? Do you see anything? I mean, it's just a 2, right? So there's not like a 1 plus anything. But if you think about it, to get a 2, if this is a thinking question, to get a 2, you would have had to have a 1 plus something. Well, that 1 plus something, to get 2, would have had to be, had to be a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So with the growth factor of 1 plus something, you know the other number has to be a 1. So what's the percentage of 1? 1 is what percentage? Do you know? It's actually 100%. So that's kind of an interesting question on 11, but the answer would be, the growth rate would be 100%, because it's just a 1. It's hidden in this question. It's a little bit harder to see. You always want to challenge you. You always want to think these things through. Okay, so what are we going to substitute in place of the t? It's asked us to put a 5 each time, right? So if we were to rewrite that to be g to the 5th equals 6.72 times 2 to the 5th power. What is 2 to the 5th power? What is 2 times itself 5 times? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now, do you have, I can show you how to do it on my phone right now if you like. Okay. And then in the future, you can use your own phone, just today since you're recording. So I tilted the phone sideways, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the number then first, the 2 first, and then I'm going to push this XY, and then I'm going to push the power, and I'll push equals. So 2 to the 5th power is 32. You probably could have figured that out without my help. And then we're going to multiply that by 6.72. So 6.72 times 32, just put times 6.72, and you get 215.04. 215.04.